Good afternoon. My name is Lu. Due to my illness of influenza and fever, so my voice may sound a little bit strange and may cough during my presentation. I hope everybody take care of yourself, be healthy, and enjoy your fall break. Today, I'm going to introduce something of supply chain management concepts. So, what is the supply chain management? Supply chain management is the integration of the activities that produce management materials and service, transform them into intermediate goods and final products, deliver them through our distribution systems. It includes 6 aspects, for example, supply chain strategy, supply chain planning, logistic management, asset management, procurement, information management, and it is widely used by suppliers, manufacturers, warehouses, stores, and customers. Supply chain management is a value chain that weighs supply side and demand side. Supply side including raw materials, inbound logistics, and production processes, and demand side including outbound logistics, marketing, and sales. As this picture, we can see each interface in supply chain respects the movement of goods, the information flows, the transfer of title, the purchase and sales, and the strategic supply chain management consists of developing smarter ways to choose to buy from and to sell to your business partners. So it is a circle that with including raw materials, components, manufacturers, and the retailer and the customers. So we can define supply chain management is a management of upstream and downstream value-added flows of materials and the final goods. It related information among suppliers, company, resellers, and final customers. So what is upstream and downstream? The upstream is activities of firms positioned earlier in supply chain relative to another activity or firm of interest. And the downstream is activities of firms positioned later in the supply chain relative to another activities or firms of interest. So it is a difference between earlier or later. So the relationship can be shown as these pictures. So you may ask me, what is logistics? It is management the movement of physical goods throughout the supply chain. And so, what is score model? It is processing modeling, performance measurement, and best practice. So these 3 parts is very important as score model. It builds this whole model. And there are 5 steps of supply chain management. First is planning. You need to consider all the things that are involved in. Then you need to implement the supervisor, all the parts of supply chain. You need to evaluate all the parts of supply chain and certify and combine all the process together. Then the last one is verify all the process follow rules. Why use a general visibility model? It helps a lot to capture data, interconnect data, extract into intelligence, and interrupt decisions. So there are 4 performance dimensions. 1. Quality. 2. Time. 3. Flexibility. And the last one, costs. Supply chain management in business world is everywhere. There is a company called Cisco System Inc. And Cisco's move comes as more companies are treating technology as a key competitive advantage in supply chain management. for everything from managing big data to cutting costs. So if you run a business, how to lower down your costs is very important, especially in supply chain part. Supply chain management also has its own problems. For example, what if delay in production, expensive inventories, lack of partners coordination, uncertainties in deliveries, and the poor qualities? And there is a way to measure the service level and the return on inventories. So first thing is measure and improve forecast accuracy, reduce lead times in each supply chain link, minimize and eliminate purchase order costs, eliminate supply chain blind spots, minimize inventory carrying rate. Those details are all supply chain managers should consider. And here is energy life cycle management. It's just an example that how supply chain works on it. So if you have further more questions, please leave me a note. And I'm very thank you for spend time on my presentation.